In this video, we'll teach you how to download the software for your Glorious Model O. First of all, you need to go to the Google search where you need to write the simple keyword Glorious Model O software, and you need to open the first result and make sure that the website is officialgloriousgaming.com. Then when you go to this page, you don't need to click the first download link because this is compatible for Glorious products except Model O, guys. So we need to scroll down, and right here we will see the software for the Model O. Right here we need to click on this and we can download it into our device. So when you download it into your computer, you need to extract the files. Just right click on it and select extract all. And then you need to open the folder, and first of all you need to read the instruction. Before running the Model software, please install the firmware update first. First of all you need to install the firmware update. Here is the instruction. You can read the instruction to install this firmware update, which is right here. So you need to open this first folder and install this firmware update first, and then you need to install the software itself, which is in the second folder. So that's all I wanted to show you in this short video tutorial. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.